India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of it. Rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
A very happy morning to everyone. I am Brinda of Grade IX Jasper, here to say international and national news. National news. Domestic consumption growth can offset US tariff losses, top economists. Assam cannot be led by the people who visit Pakistan frequently by Amit Shah. International news. Trump administration was to withdraw the Kamala Harris Secret Service protection. Might be worse. Iran executed 800 people in 2025, said by UN. Thank you. Have a great day.
Happy morning, everyone. Today's state news is brought to you by Dinesh of Grade IX Jasper. State news. Telangana government schools on life support as enrollment drops. BRS files cyber criminal case on Congress for misuse of government offices. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Today's sports news is brought to you by Anirudh of Grade IX Jasper. Sports news. Telugu Titans versus Tamil Talavas. Tamil Talavas won by 3 points. India is set to be play Asia Cup without any jersey sponsors. Thank you.
Happy morning, everyone. Today's weather forecast is brought to you by Hasmi of Grade IX Jasper. Minimum temperature 24 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature 31 degrees Celsius. Humidity 84%. Western winds about 15 to 30 kilometers per hour. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. Today's thought is brought to you by Ragarohan of Grade IX Jasper. Thought. The harder you work for something, the greater you will feel when you achieve it. I'll repeat it again. The harder you work for something, the greater you will feel when you achieve it. Thank you. A very delightful morning to everyone. This is Geetanjali from Grade IX Jasper. Today I am here to give speech on intelligence executives. There are 3 ways. First way, never underestimate your own intelligence and never overestimate the intelligence of others. Never sell yourself short. Concentrate on your assets. Discover your superior talent. Remember, it's not how many brains you have got, rather it's how you use your brains that counts. Second way, remind several times daily that my attitudes are more important than my intelligence. At work, at home, practice positive attitudes. Put your intelligence to create more positive finds and use that ways to win, not to prove you will lose. Third way, remember that the ability to think of much greater, value the ability to memorize facts. Ask yourself, am I using my mental ability to make history or merely am I using it to record history made by others? So follow these 3 ways and become a great person in your life. Thank you and have a good day. Happy morning everyone. My name is Bhargavi. I am from Grade IX Jasper. Today I am here to check your general knowledge. Question for Grade 7. Which city is known as the City of Joy in India? I will repeat my question. Which city is known as the City of Joy in India? Yes, you picked the right answer and the right answer is Kolkata. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 8. What is the scientific study of bird called? I will repeat my question. What is the scientific study of bird called? No, you did not pick the right answer and the right answer is ornithology. Question for Grade 9. Which movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi in 1942? I will repeat my question. Which movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi in 1942? Yes, you picked the right answer and the right answer is Quit India Movement. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 10. Who was the founder of Mughal Empire in India? I will repeat my question. Who was the founder of Mughal Empire in India? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Babur. Let us appreciate them. Thank you. Have a nice day.